I want to talk about your earnings, but I want to also talk about sort of how you see the marketplace in value and valuation for your company and others like it.
Yeah, thanks for having me. I think we've seen an indiscriminate pullback across all of the pandemic stocks, and I think the market is maybe scared of whether all of the pandemic gains are gonna dissipate, and so it's going to take some time for the market to sort out winners from losers. What I'll say about Etsy is that we think that the earnings report we gave yesterday demonstrated the durability of Etsy's growth. Etsy is now more than twice as big as it was pre-pandemic. In fact, we're twice as big in the US. We're 4 times as big as we were pre-pandemic in the UK. We've got more than 5 million sellers, more than 90 million buyers. And we're showing that the sales gains that we've made over the period of the pandemic are holding. If you look at the first quarter of 2021, Etsy grew 132% year over year this time last year. That's one of the highest growth rates any public e-commerce company has ever posted. And what we guided to this quarter, this year, is that we'd hold, we think, all of those gains, in spite of the fact that last year there was substantial stimulus and lockdowns. You had very few other places you could shop. We're finding that this year people are choosing to come back to Etsy again and again, even when their budgets are tighter and even when they have a lot more choices, because they've loved the experience they've had on Etsy.
Josh, how does the stock price change your ability, for example, to attract and hire and retain talent?
You know, we've never sold our talent based on the stock price. I think our talent has a lot of places that they can work. It's a really tough labor market. But we think that Etsy does something important. Etsy's mission is keeping commerce human. And in a world that's pulling us apart more and more, the idea to bring people together through commerce, the idea to lift up small and micro businesses and give them a chance to fight on an even footing against the big guys, we think that's something really meaningful. Etsy's mission is really about economic empowerment, and that's more relevant now than ever. And I think our employees are really motivated by that. And I think Etsy's leaned into ESG from the beginning. That's not something where we've gained religion over the past year or two. In fact, we publish an integrated report. We don't just publish our financial reports, we actually publish our social impact report as well, with the same level of scrutiny from outside auditors that we put on our financials. And it's those kinds of things that I think give our team the comfort that we're walking the walk. And I think it's in times like this that really matters.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.